Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by setting the foundation. Hair at about 2–3 inches damp is ideal. Use scissors to remove bulk at the temples, then once done, create a soft, disconnected transition by point cutting the sides. Make sure to leave more length on top, this is the signature. Comb the top forward to check fringe length, and when you see the natural fall, stop cutting. You can always remove more later. This gets you into the right shape fast. Now you sculpt and texturize to make the Robert Pattinson Batman look. You texture the crown and fringe with thinning shears, work in small sections, and remove weight via vertical snips so movement stays natural. Then, blend a subtle undercut. Trim lower sides to about 1/2 to 3/4 inch and graduate upward to the longer top. Once dry, sweep the fringe forward and slightly to the side with a round brush to create that lived-in, slightly messy vibe. Finish the look with product and small adjustments. You warm a pea size of matte clay between palms, then work it from roots to ends, raking to create separated, slightly piecey strands. This delivers that gritty, cinematic texture. Make sure to push the fringe forward and tousle the crown for asymmetry. If pieces clump, finger tease or add a touch more clay. Troubleshooting tip. If hair looks flat, reapply a tiny amount to roots and blow dry briefly for lift.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.